It took 8 years for Facebook to go from a Harvard dorm room to a publicly traded company. That happened today. At long last, News Channel 5's Mollie Reynolds takes us through this day.
And we are.
Here we go. Look,
there we have it. Facebook opening for trade.
The social networking site Facebook, known for doing things its own way, threw a curveball at investors and analysts, opening for its first public stock trade more than a half hour later than scheduled, leaving traders in the dark about what they had bought or sold.
Imagine there was only one theater showing the Avengers over the past week, and everybody was trying to get in the narrow doors and waving their tickets around. They're trying to make sure that there's not the equivalent of a stock market riot here as people try to get into the stock.
Facebook put more than 420 million shares on the market and set a record for the most number of shares traded on a stock's first day.
Not at all the kind of opening that many were hoping for and expecting.
But some analysts wonder if the deal was overhyped after Facebook's stock failed to have a huge day one pop, ending the day just 23 cents over its initial $38 price.
So no matter what investors think, it was a great day for Mark Zuckerberg. Now his company is worth over $100 billion.
So what is everybody saying in social media about today's launch?
Well, of course, they're talking about that there was too much hype. It was a high-profile IPO, and I know financial anchors and reporters have been talking about it breathlessly. I've been talking about it for the past week. But this person was talking about, because a lot of people were calling today opening day a flop, this person saying, if you look at what the rest of the markets did today, then reconsider calling it a flop. So only time will tell.
You said it was like watching the Super Bowl.
Yeah, I was watching CNBC all day, glued to it. It was exciting.
Mollie, thanks. Jay, back to you.
Ladies, thank you.